Hello viewers, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable dark mode on your Instagram. So these steps are very much simple. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. First of all, just simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram, here we go, and also be sure you are signed into your Instagram account. Then just simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you enter on your profile. Then you can see a three horizontal line at the top right. Just click on this three horizontal line, and here just go to the settings option, and in this section you can see an option of theme. Just click on this theme option, and you can get three options here at this theme. So if you wanna enable your dark mode, just click on this dark mode option, and again if you wanna put it on light mode, just click on this light mode, and you can also put it on default mode by clicking on this system default. So here I'm going with dark mode. Just click on this dark mode and go back again. So simply this is how you can enable your dark mode on Instagram. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.